Oh boy, I've been waiting for this mod for a long time. Not gonna lie, having a black car was cool and all, until you just start seeing so much dust. I don't really drive this car a lot. I should, but I don't really do it. But in today's video, it's gonna be something very special. I've been wanting to do this mod for a while now, just because when I got these new Recaros right here, it actually sits a lot higher than the stock seat, if you guys didn't know. With the Brid RO rails, it pushes up the seat like I think 1 inch, compared to like the stock rails and the stock seats. So it puts my thighs very close to the steering wheel. I'm gonna be changing the steering wheel today to something a little bit better. Plus it'll just enhance the driving feel and it'll just give me more leg room because your boy needs to move his thighs. Alright, so first things first, I want to give a huge shout out to Art of Attack. If you guys didn't know, Art of Attack is a company based out in LA. They used to be Nemo's Garage, if you guys watched La Tommy Law's videos, but they switched to Art of Attack, which is pretty cool. You guys have probably seen him in like Dustin Williams videos because he's building his S2000 there. Sick ass S2000, by the way. If I had a chance to like meet Dustin and like show him my S2000 and then like see his, oh, be a dream. But shout out to Art of Attack because I did get the short hub from them. Long story short, I could not find a short hub for this S2000. I know you could share a short hub with like an EK and like a Prelude, but I didn't want that version. There's a different version for NRG. It's SRK131H, which has like a little opening at the bottom. But since no one had that in stock, I actually went with another brand that everybody pretty much knows now, which is Worksbell, which is from Japan. So let's open this bad boy up. Ooh, cool. Thank you, Art of Attack. Oh, I didn't even know they came with this. Oh, I'm for sure putting this on the S2000. Let's go. And this right here is, like I said before, the Worksbell. This is the short boss hub because I didn't want anything closer to me since I'm already like kind of close to the steering wheel. So I got the Rapid Fix Honda 223S, which is going to be the model that you're really looking for if you want to keep the SRS light off. Alright guys, we're going to do a little unboxing for you. It's kind of like a little cool angle that I saw, so just wanted to show you guys me unboxing it for the first time because I waited all week to be able to unbox this. Some writing that I don't understand. Now this right here is important, these two right here, because this is going to be your resistor slash horn button, which is going to be very useful. But this right here is going to be the short hub itself. Comes with some new bolts right there. The other Honda one, the one that shares with like a Prelude and an EK, they literally have this blocked off. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. Yes, sir. This part's blocked off, so you can't really put the SRS reel in, which is like all the little wiring behind the wheel that connects to like your airbag and stuff. So if you guys can, and if you guys have an S2000, make sure you guys get the one with the opening bottom right there. This has ribbing on it, which is pretty cool. Some people like this, some people don't. I, for one, didn't like it at first until like I see it now. But I think it'll grow on me the more I see it inside the car. The outside of the car kind of looks weird. It's like a ribbed condom. But once I see it in the car and once I actually have like the wheel on, I think I'll grow to like it. Now, for the wheel itself, I did not know what wheel I wanted to do. There's like a bunch of wheels that I liked. The Momo Monte Carlo was like my #1 choice in 350 millimeters. But the thing with that is it's pre-ordered just because of the whole COVID thing. I called like a bunch of shops. None of the shops had it. But some of the shops did have a Nardi wheel. I was gonna go and buy a new one, but then Dylan said, yo, just buy mine because he has a Nardi wheel. So we're gonna try that out today. Hopefully it fits me because I don't want it super close to me where I'm just like this, driving around like that. So here is the Nardi wheel. If you guys don't know, this is the Nardi 350 millimeter deep corn, which is what everybody usually runs. I've been looking for this wheel for a while just because like the leather and just like the feel of it is amazing, and you can honestly never go wrong with a Nardi. Also have the horn button right here, but if it doesn't fit and it's just too close to me, I do have another wheel, which was my previous partial sponsorship before, like a while ago, but I still have like both their wheels. It's a D&D one. This right here is like my old D&D touring wheel that I got when I was having a partial sponsorship with D&D. This right here is the same size as the Nardi, but as you guys can see the difference, this one right here has less of a concave, so it's gonna sit more closer to the dash compared to this one where it's gonna sit closer to the driver. But yeah, let's get to installing these wheels. So I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Okay, this is so much easier than I thought. Why did I think this was gonna be so much more complicated? Now to remove this, you kind of want to like bang it. So hopefully this doesn't take that much force to take out. But I've seen a lot of people like, you know? But just like that, man. Voila. Alrighty, so I put in the resistor right here. Took off this yellow clip, put the resistor in so the SRS light won't be on, just so that the passenger airbag is always on. Alright, after like 30 minutes of looking for this goddamn electrical tape, finally got it. I'm gonna electrical tape these just so that there's no chance of it ever like coming out. You guys cannot say that that does not look good. Look at that. Ooh. Yes, sir. And like this right here kind of matches like the dash of the S2000, so it's growing on me, you know? All right, so got our fresh new bolts. This angle's low-key like unbox therapy, man, when he unboxes boxes and shit. Let me know what wheels you guys have on your car right now. I'm kind of curious, because I feel like a steering wheel is something you definitely like choose based on like your preference on how you want your car to look, because I know a lot of like, let's say VIP cars have the wooden ones, some of the race cars have like the smaller suede ones. So let me know down in the comments below what steering wheels you guys like. Honestly, if I had a choice, I would definitely have gone Vertex, because Vertex looks sick as fuck. Alright boys, so I tried using the Nardi one and it does fit on this, but it just pushes my arm too far back. So let's put on the D&D one. Whew. Oh my god. Hey man, this thing looking nice. My arm is like in the perfect position of driving. I have a lot more leg space now, a lot more comfortable, definitely. So yeah, this looks amazing. Oh my god, I can already feel how responsive it's gonna be. So I will catch you guys tomorrow, and I will show you guys some beauty shots of this tomorrow because it's gonna be a lot brighter. So catch you guys in like 3 seconds. Alright guys, it's the next day. So now we're gonna see what Nikki thinks of the new steering wheel setup, just because she drives this car too, so I want her to feel like the wheel is nice for her and like the distance is nice. Here.
Can I put it on?
You just put it on? Yeah. Do you like it?
Can we drive around?
Huh?
I want to drive it.
You wanna drive around?
Yeah.
Fine. Think you're cool, bro? Huh? What?
I forgot how to drive the car.
Oh, you gonna learn again.
Straight.
She knows how to drive this. She's driven it before. Wow. You like the new steering wheel though?
Yeah. Oh, it's nice. Yeah.
Feel nice?
I feel like it's perfectly sized for me. I'm hella close though.
Huh?
I'm hella close though.
Want you? I don't know why you put it so
because
close.
I can't reach the pedal.
No, I know, but you could like put the seat back. Why don't you put the seat back? Yeah. So what are your thoughts on the S2000 so far?
I like it.
You like it?
It's made for me, not for you.
Honestly, once I get a different car, I'm probably gonna give this car to her, because as much as I love the S2000 and all that shit,
Too small for you.
this car is way too small for me, man. Like, look at this. Look at my thighs, bro. Hey, you won't drift this shit?
I don't know how.
Whoa, that's crazy. Push it, go, go. All the way. Go. are you? Oh damn.
I was scared of the thing.
The what? Oh,
You know, like
yeah.
the way.
That's true. The waves, brother.
I forget how easy it is to drive this car.
Well, all Hondas are really pretty easy to drive, right?
Yeah.
I like.
Oh yeah, I think I liked your SI, the way the SI drove more though.
Oh yeah, because it's newer.
Yeah.
It's newer, plus it's like, it has all the bells and whistles that make it like easier to drive. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap up for today's video. I hope you guys like it. Honestly, I'm in love with the quick release steering wheel on this 2000. Like I said before, I am a guy who likes mods that help with the driver feel. So adding the quick release was definitely much needed for this car to make it feel more of like a go-kart, you know? And just giving me more room on the legs and the thighs so that I can have more steering angle, and the steering feel is so much better. Like, it's so much nicer than the stock one. Now with that being said, the next video is going to be cool because I do have something else for the car, and I have something else for the S2000 that it's not really on any S2000 that I've seen. So hopefully they make it and then they ship it out soon, because this whole COVID thing, all the shipping stuff is delayed. But damn, would you guys look at that? Ooh, definitely need to push out the camera a little bit and lower the car a lot more. Hope you guys liked today's video. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe, hit that like button. Make sure you guys build humbly, and until next time, catch you guys on the next one. Peace.